Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of hairstyles that you will be able to create at your own places without visiting any expensive salons. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy, and they are best suited for the long length, short length and the medium length hair. All these hairstyles can be created. You just need few accessories like the hairpins, bobby pins, some accessory tools. You may require the comb and you are done. All these hairstyles are very simple and very easy. Some may be a little bit time consuming, some can be made quickly. All these hairstyles are simple, complex maybe some, but you will be done in just few seconds. So let's have a look and see how we are going to create different hairstyles. This hairstyle is so simple, you just have to tie up the two rubber bands as shown here, then roll them in the circular position and place a pin over it. Let's now move towards the another hairdo. First you just have to take some of the hair and tie them at the proper position, then give them the internal twist. Now you have to take some portion of the hair from left and the right side and convert them into the low ponytails. After that, with the help of this tool, you just have to fix them in a zigzag manner. Then you can just put the bun as shown here. It looks so easy and simple, you will be able to create this at your home. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This is very easy, it's very less time consuming, it's all the magic of your fingers. See how you have twisted and fix it. Let's move towards another hairstyle. For this one, you just have to make a lower ponytail and just fix your hair properly as apparent on your screens. And with the help of the another rubber band, you just have to give it an internal twist and tie it up using this fancy hairdo. This is so cool. Let's move towards another hairstyle. It's best suitable for the medium length hair. First you just have to make a high ponytail. After that, using another rubber band, just create this bunny type of the look. If you will get confused at any particular step, you can just pause the video and you can repeat it again. This is so cool, and fix it. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is again very simple. It's inspired from the finger hairstyles. You just have to give it a twist. Thank you.